Okay, so you're well on your way to mastering spinning your plate. While we're learning our spinning, we can have a bit of fun with some tricks. The trick that I'm going to teach you today is called the finger spin. Very simple. Whichever method you choose to spin your plate, whether it's the hard way or the easy way, which is what I'm doing now, what I need you to do is make sure that your plate is spinning as fast as you can get it. So, trick number one of the tricks, here we go, the finger spin. Very simple trick. What we need to do, we hold the plate up into the air above our eyes just a little bit so we can see under the plate. We're going to get our finger. The hand that you're going to use is the empty hand. It's the finger that you pick your nose with. Slide your finger up the stick, keep pushing, pull the stick away. Hey presto, spinning on your finger. But it's not over yet. You've got to get this stick back onto that plate before it stops spinning. So, the finger spin. What are you waiting for? Go for it.